Hey everyone, welcome back to FitQuest. Did you know that staying active can do more than just improve your physical fitness? Today, we're diving into the fascinating connection between fitness and sexual health, and what science has to say about it. Let's get started. First up, exercise improves blood flow, and that's great news for sexual health. Studies show that regular cardio like running or cycling boosts circulation, which can enhance arousal and performance for both men and women. It's like a natural Viagra. Even 30 minutes of moderate exercise a few times a week can make a big difference. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving. Next, let's talk hormones. Strength training and high-intensity workouts can increase testosterone levels in men and improve hormone balance in women. This can lead to a higher sex drive and better overall sexual function. Try incorporating strength training into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Your body and your partner will thank you. Exercise doesn't just change your body, it changes how you feel about it. Regular physical activity can boost your confidence and improve your body image, which plays a huge role in sexual satisfaction. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Stress is a major libido killer, but exercise is a natural stress reliever. Activities like yoga, Pilates, or even a brisk walk can lower cortisol levels and help you feel more relaxed and in the mood. Try adding mindfulness exercises to your routine. A calm mind leads to a more fulfilling, intimate life. Let's not forget the physical benefits. A strong core and good flexibility can improve stamina and make intimate moments more comfortable and enjoyable. Exercises like planks, bridges, and stretching are your secret weapons. Exercise can also improve your sleep quality, and better sleep means more energy for everything, including your sex life. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to keep your body and mind in top shape. Here's the takeaway. Regular exercise improves blood flow, balances hormones, reduces stress, boosts confidence, and enhances physical endurance, all of which contribute to better sexual health. It's a win-win for your body and your relationship. So, whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just dancing around your living room, remember that staying active is one of the best things you can do for your sexual health. Try these tips and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.